Hello everyone and welcome to Lovella's Coloring. I want to share with you guys my first purchase of Craftibly diamond paintings. I am really excited to share with you what I got. I actually didn't know about Craftibly until I watched one of May Brox's videos of her unboxing of their diamond paintings. So thank you so much, May, for happily enabling me. And yeah, so there are 3 diamond paintings that I purchased, and I am planning to do an unboxing video for each of them. I have actually had these paintings for about a week or 2 already, and they've been waiting patiently for me to do this video. So these diamond paintings arrived about a week after I purchased them. They arrived through FedEx, and they're all in this box that is sealed up with this very cute tape with their company name. So it says Craftibly diamond painting, and I am very impressed with their company so far and keeping up with letting me know through email, alerting me when my package has been sent and then when it has arrived. So thank you so much, Craftibly, for doing that. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead now and pull out the first diamond painting. So I already open the top of the box. This is a really long box, so hopefully I don't drop it. So we have some bubble wrap. So I'm just gonna pull out one painting. Hold on. Maybe turn this around. There we go. So I don't want to show the picture yet, but here is the first tube. So there are 2 more tubes in there, so those are going to be separate videos. Put this one away. So the first Craftibly diamond painting I'm going to share with you is this one. You can see it. So this is a Jasmine Beckit-Griffith diamond painting. It is a licensed diamond painting, so I am very excited to get this. This is actually the painting that I saw from May Brox. So immediately after I watched her video, I went on Craftibly and purchased the 3 paintings. So this is the first one. It's called Faces of Fairy 111. It is 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches. It is a round, I'm guessing round diamonds that are in this kit. Yeah, I'm just so excited to get this. I told myself that if there was ever a diamond company that was to carry any of Jasmine Beckit-Griffith's work, I would go ahead and immediately purchase the diamond painting. So I'm so happy to see it on Craftibly's website. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna need a thing for that. I'm trying not to cut myself. There, and then there's one more on the other side. I like these tubes. Really nice. Okay, let's see if that works. Maybe it's one. Okay, so there we go. Even has a little bubble thing inside. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so we have the opening on, it's sealed on both sides, which is nice. You won't have it falling out. So I have my scissor here. I'm going to go ahead and cut one end. Came a little bent on that end. Ooh, feels very soft. Let's go ahead and open it. You can see her eyes, her big beautiful eyes. So let me show this. So this is their new 3rd generation kits, which is awesome. I don't know anything about their first kits or the second generation one, but I'm guessing these are going to be the new and improved ones. It has soft back canvas, which I felt while I was opening, very soft. And yeah, so go ahead and stir another one. Oh, it's just doubles. Okay, so here is the sheet. This is a sticker sheet for our containers, and these are huge. These are big. Very easy to read both the symbols, the code, and the DMC codes. Then you have like extra ones over here, and it tells you in the bottom which painting these codes are for, just in case you separate them. They give you instructions in case you are new to diamond painting. Really awesome. Really like how these are so big. So we have here a Ziploc bag with a sticker of the painting, and it has a start date and finish date. So this is pretty good to have in your logbook, and it comes with several plastic bags for your diamonds. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. So here is the toolkit. This is a kit that contains tweezers, double head pen, pen grip, tray, and glue pad. I just want to look at them because this is my first Craftibly. Really curious what's in their kit. It's a little tight. I love the purple squishies. Purple is my favorite color. So here's the pen. You can see, I don't know if you can see how it's glittery. Then you have your squishy. Stick that on. You have a, I'm not sure, 4 placer maybe. You have a white tray, square wax, and a wax that comes in a container. And it has their name on it, Craftibly. There you go. Very nice. I really like this. It's cute. So let me just screw this back on. And then it also comes with a tweezer, which I'm not used to getting with round diamond drill kits. So it's a very heavy duty tweezer, very, very sharp. So don't lose your caps. So yeah, this is a very nice kit. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it away. And this looks like a very nice diamond painting that you can finish right away. I just like how it looks so clear. You can see the girl, her eyes, her red lips. I'm thinking this is a raven right over here. So anyways, oh, I forgot. Let me go ahead and show you the canvas first, and then I'll show you the drills. Let me roll this back a little bit. It is poured glue, so it's okay to roll it the other way. So while I have it like this, I'll show it to you. There is a thumbprint of the painting right over here, and the name, Faces of Fairy 111, and who the artist is, which is Jasmine Beckit-Griffith. And then you can see there's a code. What is this? The schematic, I guess. And you have 41 diamonds. So I'm going to slowly unravel it. Then you have another, oh, they call it a color list. So another color list on the left hand side. So you have one in each. You have on the top right another thumbprint with the size, which is 30 by 30 centimeters or 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches. And then you have Craftibly on the top. So here is the diamond painting. Let's go ahead and see the symbols. I already know now, like these purples, I'm gonna need a light pad because it's very hard to see what the symbol is in there. I'm thinking it's an X, but I'm not sure. It might be my lighting also. But there you can see glitter in the canvas also. Very nice. So let me see what the size is of the canvas and of the picture, and which one is the 11.5 centimeters. So it is the image that is just slightly bigger than 11.5, and then the canvas is a little short of 15 inches. So yeah, the size that they give you is the actual size of the image. Then let me see. The glue looks very nice, but I'll say more about the glue at the post review. And yeah, it looks so pretty. This is a size that can be easily finished, I think, just a couple of sittings. Like for me, 4 days, because I like to separate my diamond paintings. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go and see the diamond drills. So I'll just kind of turn this over. So on the bag, you have the picture of the painting, again with the name and then who the artist is, which is awesome. I like that they put a sticker in the package that has all the drills. So let me go ahead and open this up. So here are the diamonds. Let me go ahead and show you the one that's loose. So these are, in this kit, it comes with the plastic package for each of the colors, and it's hard to see. Let me see if I can bring it down really quick. Okay, so I just have to move the diamonds here. It is hard to read in this kind of packaging where it's clear and then you have the writing on the clear bags, but you have the number that corresponds to the DMC code for this diamond painting. So 39, the diamond is 3828, and then on the list, let me go ahead and show it to you. You have 39, 3828. So yeah, it is hard to see. You're gonna have to make sure that you read the numbers really carefully. So here is the first color. Here's a purple one, this white one. Okay, there are several strands, so here is another one. 38 for the other one. I think I said the wrong number. 39. Sorry. So here is 38, 37, just like a salmon color. You have some greens, just like a forest green. It's hard to tell. My lighting. Sorry for all the glare. Here's some orange and red ochre colors. Some yellowish greens. So that's another strand. Here's another one, more greens. This is another dark green. It's like an indigo color. And blues. Some reds and maroons. Light blue. I like how the diamonds are so shiny. More blues. You have some grays, which with some of these peach in there with it. so that's another strand. Okay, here's the next one. Some peach color, orange, or kind of like a yellowish orange, green, ochre colors, greens, yellows, more orange, like ivory color or sand, reds, and brown. And I think we have one more strand. So here's more like tan colors, brown, some other colors in there. Here's a gray, some reds, black, plenty of black, yellow, another like maroon or raspberry color, and some light violet, another violet color. So that is all of the diamonds. I'm going to go ahead and show you the drill field. Without the plastic, maybe it'll be a lot easier to see. So I want to see the purple, because that was the one that was hard to see for me. So let's see. Yeah, I still can't really tell what the symbol is. Let me go and get the light pad. Okay, let me pull back the plastic so it's not too clear. You can see the glitter and the canvas. So here it is. Still kind of hard to read, but I think that's an X or a plus. No, an X. Yeah, the plus is right down here. So I'm assuming that is all the X, as long as there's not another color that looks like it. So the one beside it is a purple color also, but I can see the symbols pretty easily. So all these purples that I can't really read the symbols. I can see it kind of through the camera, but without it, it is kind of hard to see. But yeah, I know it's going to be the X symbol. So I think that is the only symbol that I see that I think it would be best to, to have a lighter symbol against the dark background color. So let me go ahead and lift you guys back up. Okay, so before I end this video, I just want to see how these plastic bags feel. I've seen the other ones with the red line. They're a lot flimsier. This one actually feels pretty thick. So these are really nice Ziploc bags to use for your diamond painting. And you know it's stiffer, so it's not just going to sink in wherever you're going to store it. So very nice quality, everything. So I will have the unboxing videos for the other 2 diamond paintings soon after this one, so please look out for them. I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing which diamond paintings are my first from Craftibly. And yeah, so please take care, keep safe and healthy, and happy diamond painting. Bye bye.